Understanding the challenge.
The first step to solving any coding problem is to fully understand what's being asked. Carefully read the problem statement. Identify the input, expected output, and any rules or constraints. If something is unclear, paraphrase the problem in your own words or try explaining it to someone else. This builds a strong foundation for the solution.
Breaking down requirements.
Next, list out all the requirements separately. What are the key tasks your code needs to perform? Are there edge cases to consider? By outlining these requirements clearly, you can spot potential challenges and ensure no detail is missed before you start coding.
Designing a plan.
Now, map out your approach step by step. Try to divide the problem into bite-sized pieces. Write pseudocode or draw diagrams to visualize how your solution flows. This helps in organizing your thoughts, identifying logical sequences, and setting up the overall structure before you start writing actual code.
Start small, test early.
Begin coding with the simplest part of your plan. Test as you go. Don't try to build the full solution in one go. Instead, code each step and check if it works with different inputs. Catching errors early makes debugging much easier and keeps you confident as your code grows.
Iterate and refine.
As you complete each part, review and improve your code. Check if your solution meets all requirements and handles edge cases. Use comments to clarify tricky sections. Refactored code is easier to understand and maintain. By following these steps, you'll make even complex coding problems much more manageable.